Hey guys, it's Nicole, and today I did some plaid and sweater nail art, which is perfect for fall or even coming into Christmas, just kind of an end of year fall winter nail art look. This is all freehand with gel polish and art gels. So I started off with Bundle Monster's Siren's Call, which is a beautiful deep purpley red, and then Madame Glam's Perfect White for the sweater nail. So I applied 3 coats of each color, and I did the white on my ring finger, and all the other nails I did the deep purple red color. And I just tried to make it nice and even, not too thick of coat, just keep it thin and clean up as you go. And then once that was all cured, I decided to do the sweater nail first, and I'm using Young Nails Emission Control Art Gel. And so I just traced the cable knit design down the middle, and then I did 2 vertical stripes down the side, and then dots on the very edges. And I did 2 coats of this, but I just showed you the first one, and then I just went over it just to add some extra thickness, so the top coat didn't kind of cover it all. And then I took some sheer black gel and did 2 stripes on my middle nail. And then I took some gold leaf gel to do a stripe on the other side, and after the gold I took silver along the right side. And then I outlined a gray stripe, a white stripe, and then a white stripe along the bottom, and then a solid black one along the top. So I cured in between colors, and then I took Tammy Taylor's Flawless Finish, and I applied a coat over all of my nails just to seal in the design and to give everything a nice shine. And I was careful with the ring finger not to fill in all of the gaps, so go back over that, try not to leave too much product in there so it's still textured. And besides that, I mean standard top coat application. So once that was cured for 45 seconds, I removed the tacky layer from all of my nails, and that's how I created this nail art look. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm really loving these nails right now. I'll leave product links in the description box down below if you're interested, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys!